You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Tuesday, fluctuating more in response to the impact of other currencies than because of its own drivers because of a lack of economic news from the US. It fell to the pound, which rose after the IMF upgraded its growth prospects. It rose versus the yen, which suffered from reduced safety demand, and it ended unchanged versus the euro, which also traded mixed after lackluster sentiment data. The greenback ended the day 1.3560 to the euro and 104.29 to the yen. Today's data includes MBA mortgage applications and the API weekly statistical bulletin. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Tuesday after sentiment data in the form of the ZEW survey was mixed, showing rising positive outlook in the eurozone as a whole, but the lower than expected results in Germany. The single currency ended the day 1.3560 to the dollar and 141.42 to the yen. Today's data includes eurozone third quarter total government debt figures. British pound. The pound rose on Tuesday after the IMF upgraded its forecast for the UK growth to 2.4% in 2014 from 1.9% previously, a higher upward revision than any other country, which reinforced the view that the economic recovery was on sure footing. Sterling ended at 1.6475 to the dollar and 0.8228 to the euro. Today's data includes the minutes from the last BOE meeting and the unemployment rate, which is one of the indicators used in forward guidance. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Tuesday after safety flows reduced following a rise in risk appetite after the IMF revised up its forecast for global growth. The yen ended the day 104.29 to the dollar and 171.82 to the pound. Today see the result of the BOJ monthly policy meeting with a no change expected given the current upbeat outlook for the economy, which was recently described as recovering in the BOJ's monthly report, the most positive language for 6 years. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short position below 1.358 with targets at 1.3505 and 1.3445 in extension. Above 1.358, which will look for further upside with 1.362 and 1.3645 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long position above 1.6425 with targets at 1.6515 and 1.6545 in extension. Below 1.6425, which will look for further downside with 1.6395 and 1.6345 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 103.9 with targets at 104.75 and 104.9 in extension. Below 103.9, which will look for further downside with 103.5 and 103.2 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and be watching Markets for You. Have a great day.